it's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Intero Real Estate Services, and I'm about to list this house here in Campbell. It's an amazing home at 1250 South Clover Avenue, and it is 1,927 square feet, sitting on almost a 10,000 square foot corner lot, and the house has been rebuilt from the inside out, all within the last 1 year. Everything in this home is brand new. It features 4 big bedrooms and 2.5 beautifully remodeled bathrooms. Even though this home has a floor plan that was designed many years ago, it's open just like what you would see today. We have this dining room, kitchen with this huge breakfast bar, all in this one living space right off of the backyard, which makes this just a really great space if you want to have people over for a barbecue or a party. Granite countertops, beautiful oak cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and then the whole entire home has this really beautiful hardwood flooring throughout. Now, when we talk about homes, we often talk about the cosmetic part of it, which this house has all of those bells and whistles. There's a lot of things that people overlook that I call capital upgrades. These are features of a home that cost a lot of money but don't really shine and sparkle the way granite countertops do. In this case, we have double pane windows throughout, a presidential composition roof that's brand new, copper plumbing. This house also features a 3-car garage, a tankless water heater, and a separate laundry, air conditioning, and so forth. This home has everything that a brand new home would have. So again, 10,000 square foot lot, which lends itself to having an ADU built in the future. There are mature trees all around the property, including a few redwood trees. Landscaping itself is a blank slate, so a new homeowner can come in and do anything that they want. Again, it's a corner lot, which really does lend itself to a lot of possibilities. Now, when you buy a house, you don't just buy the house, you buy the whole neighborhood. And here in Campbell, there's so much going on. Number one, it's a great commute location to the peninsula. You're close to Highway 17, you're close to Highway 85 and 280, all of which take you to the tech giants that the Silicon Valley is world renowned for. You're close to Valley Fair, Santana Row. You're close to downtown Campbell, downtown Willow Glen, and downtown San Jose. All of these places are very attractive to a young family or to a single person looking to enjoy their life in Silicon Valley. Great shopping like Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and of course we'd be remiss not to mention the Pruneyard, which is really only a few minutes away. Plenty of restaurants all around you, coffee shops close to Stanford University, Santa Clara University, and San Jose State. Again, all of these things just make this a very vibrant place to live. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video presentation at 1250 South Clover. If you have any questions about this house or really any house on the market here in the Bay Area or anywhere in the United States or the world, please feel free to give me a call or send me a text message at the number on the screen. Have a great day.